In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Google Sheets, a process that should take you just about 5 minutes to complete. We'll be covering each step thoroughly, so by the end of this video, you'll have all your Asana tasks nicely organized within Google Sheets, making it easier for you to analyze and manage your workflow. First things first, you'll need to open the Asana project you want to integrate with Google Sheets. Simply log in to your Asana account and navigate to the specific project you wish to work with. Once you're in your project, take a moment to glance at all the tasks and sections you have laid out. This visual reference will help when you are reviewing the spreadsheet later. Next, look towards the top right corner of your Asana project screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots, commonly referred to as the Options menu. This is your gateway to various settings and tools related to your project. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll need to select the Export Print option. This is where Asana offers various formats to export your data. For this integration, you will want to choose CSV. Clicking on CSV will begin the export process. This format is particularly useful because it organizes your tasks into a simple tabular structure, which is perfect for spreadsheets. Once the CSV file is downloaded to your computer, it's time to head over to Google Sheets. Open a new spreadsheet by going to Google Sheets in your browser and click on Blank to create a new spreadsheet. Now, you'll upload your CSV file into Google Sheets. At the top of your Google Sheets interface, you should see a menu bar. Click on the File option, and from the drop-down menu, select Import. This will open an Import dialog box. Click on Upload and select the CSV file you just downloaded from Asana. Confirm your selection and choose the option to insert new sheets or replace the current sheet. Once the CSV is uploaded into Google Sheets, you'll notice that each Asana task from your project has now become a row in your spreadsheet. The columns in your new sheet align with the fields in Asana, such as task name, due date, assignee, and any custom fields specific to your project. This organized layout is excellent for tracking, sharing, and analyzing your project data, thanks to Google Sheets' extensive functionality. And there you have it. Your Asana project is now integrated with Google Sheets. This seamless integration allows you to leverage the power of Google Sheets formulas and data analysis features to better manage and understand the tasks within your project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.